Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it. Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
And I'm Musclehead Kev.
And
we're the Klar brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro. Wow.
Buddy, have you checked out our YouTube channel?
What?
It's blowing up over
What's
there.
going on? What?
106 subscribers.
It feels like we're kind of coming. We're kind of coming up in the world. We're like the Beverly Hillbillies. We're the guy, the neighbor that you don't want coming in. We're moving in on you, Emerald. We're coming in, Brothers Bistro. Have you seen our Facebook page?
What's going on over there?
It's like 200 plus likes. People are following us.
How do they find us?
Well, if you want to find us, all you have to do is search either on YouTube or on Facebook for Brothers Bistro.
Right. Do
Pretty
they need
simple.
The apostrophe?
No, I don't. I don't think it allows
I know
it.
my brother always forgets the apostrophe, so the apostrophe is optional.
Yep.
But turn on the notification, hit the subscribe, and give us a thumbs up.
That's right. Well, what do we got going on tonight?
Today we got almond maple chicken.
Almond.
I know,
That
it
sounds pretty sophisticated,
right?
I'm not so sure, brother.
Trust me, when we get done with it, it's going to be super easy.
We did simplify it a bit, right? And it's healthy.
And we got some product recommendations.
What?
Yeah, there's a whole thing going on.
All right. So you got to hang with us, right? And
we're going to check out the ingredients.
All right, let's do it.
Let's do it.
We're back.
Yeah, we are.
Oh, yeah. Look at all these ingredients.
It's not that complicated. Come
wow.
on,
All right. It looked like it was kind of complicated.
Well, okay, let me walk you through.
Had me nervous.
All right, so first of all, we're making for 4. So that's why there's so much stuff out here. And we got lots of options for the...
So we need 2 people to volunteer to eat with us because tonight we're batching it.
Come on over. We'll give you the address. And tell us you're interested in the comments and we'll tell you where to come. All right, so we got 4 chicken breasts. We got about 8 ounces each, 8 ounces per serving.
Okay, and that's because they shrink a little because we're shooting for 6.
That's right. We're shooting for 6, and we think it'll shrink about 20%.
All
right. Then we're going to combine the breading. But the joke is, it's not breading.
It's almonds, right?
It's
or something?
Right. It's almonds.
Yeah.
It's almonds. So we got these almonds. We got 10 almonds per serving.
All right, so I do the dad math, 40 almonds.
40 almonds. We've already chopped up some.
Yep.
But we got a product recommendation. Guidel. Yeah, they make a badass chopper.
That's
nut
right.
Chopper.
Yeah. Ken likes the nuts.
I'm not sure I'd go that far. Keep your hands off my salty nuts. Okay, so then we've got...
But we could also use the sliced onions, right? Almonds, right?
That's right. We could use the sliced almonds.
So these were just bought out of the store, or you can take whole almonds and chop them up with that.
Yeah, but you need to chop them either way. Yeah. So we kind of abandoned that.
But look, it looks a lot better. That one looks a little bit more like breading.
And remember, we want it to be breading. Okay, so we also got the maple part of this thing.
Right.
It's this Walden's Farms pancake syrup. It's 0 calorie or sugar-free, calorie-free. It says 0 calorie. And this stuff is pretty cool. You can get it at premium grocery stores like a Whole Foods, and we got this on Amazon. So, hey, Walden Farm, if you're listening, we're looking for an endorsement.
Amazon, delivered in one day. We'll take your endorsement too.
So that's going to make the sticky part of this whole
All right, and then we've got this lemony thing going on, right?
Yeah.
We've got this zest.
Right.
How many of you guys know what the zest of a lemon is? Holy cow.
It's the zest of life.
Holy cow, it's the cream, right? So it's just the yellow part right on top of this. And then also we have the juice. So we actually have a zester and a juicer.
And if you're a real badass, you use this bad boy.
Because you can take it right there and do the same thing. So it's a grater. A lot of graters have it.
Yeah.
One of the things I wanted to tell you, we're going to walk through this just a little bit, but when you do the juicing, you don't put the lemon in like that because it'll clog up the holes where the juice goes through. You put it in like this.
The open side goes down.
And then you squeeze it.
Yeah.
And look at all that, buddy!
Yeah. In fact, we hardly even used any juice, right? We had to zest like 4 lemons. It's a good thing you have a lemon tree back there because we had to zest like 4 of these bad boys to get enough lemon zest. It's a fair amount of work to get the lemon
So the
zest.
zester is just like a cheese grater. You're going to go right over the top, and it's going to come out the top. And you get all that little zesty stuff. That's the flavor. You don't want to get into the white part, right? Because it gets bitter.
It gets a little bitter.
And what do you got for us, buddy? You got to show us this chopper.
Oh, the chopper.
Chopper's pretty cool.
So the chopper is just, like it's saying. So you put the almonds down there. You try and get them in the underneath the chop part, the blades, and you like that, right? But you don't want to. That's kind of lame. You do that. You gotta.
Ken's a drummer. Can he keep a rhythm? All right.
So we're going to get, I'm going to finish chopping these.
Yeah, and I got to do some more juicing and zesting.
That thing, and we'll be right back. We're ready to combine these ingredients.
We'll see you in a minute.
All right.
We're back. We're ready to combine, right?
That's right. And look, it all reduced down to like five ingredients.
Yeah, there isn't very much. All that zesting and all that juicing, and we're pretty much done here, right?
So let me walk you through it. So first we're going to take this Walden's Farms pancake syrup.
Yeah.
And we're going to pour that bad boy in there.
Put that in there.
It's a little gooey and sticky, so you want to have a spatula handy so you can, get it all out after you've measured it. We're kind of displaying it a little bit here. So now we're gonna pour in the lemon juice. Not a lot of lemon juice because the lemon's got a lot of flavor. So we're gonna pour that in there. And then we're pouring in the lemon zest.
All right.
Right. That's gonna give it a little bit of a bite.
All right. Yeah.
And now we got the breading, aka almonds.
And how does the song go? Steer it up.
Steer it up. Little dog. And it looks like breading. Look at it. It's kind of taking shape here.
It looks like we've done this before.
That's right.
All right, so now we're gonna drizzle that thing over the whole thing, right?
All right. Here we go. Ready?
You got it?
You might have to, yeah, there you go.
Help it along a little. I could do it like this, maybe.
Yeah, there you go. That's a great idea. Every now and then my brother has a good idea.
Yeah, he doesn't give me credit. But I made him the man he is today. Everybody knows that.
All right, you're gonna get the rest of that out of there.
Let me get it out of there. All right, you tell it, and then go ahead and grab that salt and pepper. We got a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper for our to add to our little ingredients. Everything tastes better with little salt and pepper.
So this just sprinkles over the top like this.
All right, and this one, can I do it like Emerald?
No,
that's not Emerald. That's that other guy. Bam.
Don't be talking about our competition. They're not really our competition.
All right, check it out. We got a little bit. We got a little bit here. I'm going to just dust it. I'm doing a light pixie dusting.
And now, this bad boy goes into the oven.
All right.
25 to 30 minutes at 400 degrees.
All right, so we ready?
And that's it. I'm ready
to check it out.
If you're ready to open the doors.
Ready. Put that bad boy in, and we'll set that timer, and we'll be ready to go. How long?
25 minutes.
All right, it's ready.
Did you hear that?
Wow, that was that timer going off, right? It's ready.
It's chow time, baby.
Yep.
Ding,
Ding, ding, ding.
You're the fireman. Go into the heat for us. Risk your life. Bring her out. Come on, baby. Don't burn yourself. You made it this far without burning yourself.
I'm trying not to.
All right, let me see if I can get one of these bad boys. Looks pretty good. Wow, there's a little juice in the bottom too.
What do you think?
It looks good. It's got a little crust on it. It's going to be hot though. You ready for it?
I don't know if I'm ready for it. Is it hot? Really hot?
Well, I can see the steam coming off it.
So it's really hot.
How is it?
Hey,
is it hot?
That's really hot, but super yummy. So stick with us. We'll be right back. We're going to put these things on some plate and have a little dinner.
That's pretty good.
All right, let's do it. Wow, that was a fair amount. I'm ready to eat, buddy.
What do you think, buddy?
I'm ready to eat.
It looks pretty good. We got little veggies.
Yeah, little veggies. So we just tell the people what we did. So we went to the store. We got some flash frozen California medley. And you just put them in a pan and you let them kind of thaw and cook at the same time. You season them a little bit.
The California medley has broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots in it, looks like. And maybe there's something else sprinkled in there. It's a little hard to tell. But yeah, it makes for a good, nice veggie.
Yeah, it's good. It's real tasty. And, dude, that was pretty simple. It wasn't that hard.
No.
It took like 30 minutes to cook and it took like maybe 30 minutes to prepare. Just a few ingredients. So you should try it out at home.
Absolutely. Try this recipe and post it in the comments. Brothers Bistro. Out.
Hey, if you like what you've seen and you want to learn more about how Kenny got skinny
and Kevin got ripped, send us a note and we'll send you a free health assessment so we can understand what your health goals are and we can help you achieve them.
Hope to hear from you soon.